But Monday, Jay, not terrible.
Not bad at all on the weekend. Okay.
Not bad. And earlier today, I was at Sandy Downs. You were seeing me out there live,
That's right.
and we were doing the weather on the road. And you can see some of the biggest kites in our area, in Idaho and Utah. Take a look at this. Just a puff of wind can send all these kites soaring. This is going to be a great Kiting for Fun festival. And that kite we're looking at right now, that is the biggest kite in Idaho, 200 square feet. And the kite is 6 feet tall if you're standing next to it. When
Wow.
if it's fully blown up. This one here is from the biggest, that one's the biggest one in Utah, and that's at 240 square feet. You can come out, watch the pros fly their kites, or there's even a chance to build your own high flyer. And this is the 10th year for the Kite Fest, and organizers say you can't go wrong with huge kites and kids.
Well, we want you to come out just to have a good time. That's the name of the game. Kiting is always fun. You get out here and fly some kites. Hard to go around and find anybody flying a kite that's not smiling.
Good news here.
Yeah.
Free. Happens tomorrow at noon. Sandy Downs, just on the south side of Idaho Falls. You pretty much just take Woodruff all the way down south, and you'll run right into Sandy Downs.
It turns into St. Clair after a while.
Yeah, it does. They all kind of just merge
Yeah.
together. And then there's free food, but please bring a donation to the Idaho Food Bank. Farmers Insurance is going to buy all the hot dogs and Pepsi for everybody while supplies last, but they're asking to bring donations for the food bank, so everything could be a nice community event.
Oh, what a great Saturday activity. Starts at noon and goes for a few hours.
Yeah, you don't even need a kite. You can make one and just sit there and watch them.
Yeah, it'll be very entertaining on a nice Saturday weekend in April. Thank you, Michael.